Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations. We're going to go ahead and continue on with the leveling system. Um, this one will be slightly longer than the rest of the videos, but it is everything that we need to know for the leveling stuff to work as a whole. So, just like with the attributes, where I have a subsystem, there's also a component that helps keep with tracking, keeps everything quick, keeps everything as light as possible. Um, so obviously you would add the leveling components to your character or whatever else you have that can level up. Um, Auto initialize on begin play, starting level. So this character starts at level 5. Um, that's really all you need for the leveling component. However, that there are still a great deal of functions in the leveling component and in the leveling subsystem and in the event subsystem specifically for leveling stuff. So if we just drag out of here in the leveling, scroll on down here, you'll see that we have a lot of functions and even more just for Souls-like. So there's a lot that you can go through and learn and figure out what they're for and how they work to utilize for your own game. Again, we come in here and we come in here to the subsystem. You'll see that we have a few others, one specifically for this for the subsystem. There are a lot for you. Now, if we come in here into our event subsystem, as I was telling you while we were leveling, we come in here. I need to move these two. Well, I need to separate what's under events here, or move these into events. I haven't decided which yet. But we have leveling, point allocation, secondary progression, Souls-like. So there's a lot specifically for leveling for events here. So to handle with respecking and skill point progressions and attribute purchases and milestones reached, XP lost on death. So what happens when you recover it? There's a lot here for you. Now, obviously, if there's anything that you feel is missing, I need to know so that I can go ahead and get that added if it is a valuable addition to the plugin. But that is literally everything that you need for leveling. I'm going to go ahead and show off real quick. Go ahead and compile here. I do believe I already have. We can remove the damage. We know it works. I'm going to award myself experience so that you can see point spending on XP. So compile and save. Going ahead to hit play. Hit the apostrophe button so that you guys can see. Need a better backdrop here. All right, here we go. You'll see right now we already have 674 experience because we started at level 5. I can give myself some more experience here. Not bad, right? Now, I can also, it's going to spend on strength. So look for strength. You'll see it's at 7. Now it's at 8, and my XP went down. So it works, and it got really big, and now it won't let me buy any more. So that's just with Souls-like. It already works out of the box. Obviously, you need to make your own UI, but everything works. Obviously, you want to make sure in the project settings that you go ahead and make sure that you have your leveling rules set. Obviously, mine are because I have the purchase leveling rules here. I've got 3 examples for you. Make sure you utilize them to better understand how the leveling works. And that is everything for leveling. In the next set of episodes, we're going to go over the class system. Thank you guys so much for watching.